Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be making my mega neon dog. So as you can see, it's Sunshine, and all of these I've already grown them. They're fully grown and I just need this one, so let's go. So first we have to go to the house because it needs a shower. Oh yeah, this is my cousin Amy. Yes, give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe and turn on the post notifications because I'll be doing a giveaway on my birthday or sooner. It depends when I get the Robux, and I'll buy, but it's a surprise. I'll buy something. It's a surprise, but in Adopt Me. The giveaway will be in Adopt Me. You just have to go to my first video. You have to comment down below anything, like any video, but you just have to go to my first video because that's where you can comment, and you can go to any video and like, and you just have to go to my first video and subscribe and give it a big thumbs up, or you can do it in this video if it lets you do it, because my friend, she said it couldn't, so I hope it does for this video. Okay, wait, let me check. Okay, it's recording, because last time I tried to record this, it was not recording, but good thing it was not all fully grown. But a good thing I didn't make the mega neon. So let's go to school. Let me see if it's recording. Okay, it's still recording, that's good. Bro, I don't know what my sister, I'm gonna leave this family, make a new one, because my sister or my cousin made a new, they added someone, or I don't know, but they added someone, either my sister or my cousin, but I don't know. Also, if you can subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video, in this video, well, you can do it, because I think you can do it in this video. And also, if you can comment, please do so you will be, and then you'll automatically be, in the giveaway. So yeah, you just have to like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment down below. And also my cousin's here. I'm gonna tell him I'm making a video. Okay, whatever, he just left. Okay, anyways, I just need a little bit more, and if you hear noise in the background, it's because my aunt is here, so. Oh my gosh, it is so loud. I'm so sorry, but it is so loud. My sister is literally screaming. It is so loud. Like, bruh. It is so loud. And also my cousin.
A estos libros le han dado.
Okay, so I am so sorry for the whole talking and everything. Like, bruh, I am so sorry for everything that's been going on. It's been like so loud, but I'm here in my room and it's a little bit more quieter because my cousin's mom just came. So yeah. And my mom and her were talking about school and stuff like that. I don't. For one reason, I came here because it was super loud, but for the other one is because they were also talking about school, and I don't want to go back to school. Okay. Come on. Come on, bruh. I just need a little bit more. Are you hungry or what? Are you hungry or what? Okay, it's gonna go to sleep. Come on. Okay, come on, let's go in here. And then we're gonna make our mega neon dog. Yes, finally. Okay, now we're gonna go. Bro, my sister brought like 2 presents. Oh no, she only bought one. Okay, yes, finally. Okay, mine is fully grown. Now we're gonna make it. Okay, let me see if this is capturing the moment. Okay, it is. Okay. Go here. We're gonna make her neon dog. Last one. Okay, guys, this is it. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, it's coming, it's coming. I got it. Whoa, look, so beautiful. Finally, I've worked so hard. I had to get like 16 of those. And oh my gosh, it's taking so long, but I finally did it. Look how beautiful it is. It's like rainbow colors. Oh my gosh. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate that you're watching this video. And oh my gosh, this dog is so cute. But remember about the giveaway, as I said in the beginning of the video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.